What's going on, my hard-headed fellers and fellettes? Today we got an update for you. We finally put an engine back in the boat, and I'm firing the second one up on the ground. It's been a little problematic. Sorry I didn't record it. It was kind of a pain in the you-know-what. But we got the engine in the boat, blew up the ignition module, then lost spark, then a whole bunch of shit, and got it working. There she sits, finally in the boat. We can get this show on the road. Now let's go to the second engine. All right, we got the second engine set up. Let's give it a quick fire.